Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to have you join us today for business tips and financial guidance. In today's video, I'm going to share some top online businesses you can start with absolutely no experience. If you've been dreaming of becoming your own boss or creating a side hustle but feel intimidated, don't worry, I've got you covered. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video, share it with friends, and comment below on which idea excites you the most. First up is print on demand. With Pod, you can design custom products and sell them through platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Next, we have drop shipping. You partner with suppliers who hold the stock and ship products directly to your customers. If you have good organizational skills, you can offer freelance services like being a virtual assistant or social media manager. Affiliate marketing is another beginner-friendly model where you promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. If you enjoy sharing your thoughts, content creation could be for you. Start a blog or a YouTube channel around a topic you love. You can create and sell an online course on platforms like Teachable or Udemy, even if you're not an expert. Flipping items from thrift stores or garage sales to sell on eBay or Facebook Marketplace is another easy business to start. Self-publishing on Amazon allows you to write an ebook or create low-content books like journals.